The roars echoed through the forest as the mighty dinosaur stormed by. Little Timmy watched in awe as the Brachiosaurus stretched its long neck to reach the tallest tree leaves. One day, I'm going to become a paleontologist and study these magnificent creatures, Timmy thought with excitement. Dinosaurs have captivated our imagination since the first dinosaur fossil was discovered in the early 1800s. We have learned a tremendous amount of these prehistoric reptiles that dominated the Earth for over 160 million years. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes, from the massive plant-eating Argentinosaurus that weighed up to 100 tons to the tiny sparrow-sized Microraptor. To celebrate these fascinating prehistoric creatures, every May 16 is International Dinosaur Day. This day aims to encourage people, especially children, to learn more about dinosaurs and to promote natural history museums and research. Dinosaurs capture the wonder and curiosities of both children and adults alike. They provide a glimpse into what life was like on Earth millions of years ago. On International Dinosaur Day, many natural history museums and parks hold special events and activities to celebrate dinosaurs. People can attend talks to workshops on new dinosaur discoveries and research. Kids can enjoy dinosaur crafts, coloring activities, fossil hunting, and meeting mascot characters. Some places may host dinosaur-bone excavations, allowing children to experience what it's like to be a real paleontologist. Dinosaurs teach us about our planet's age in the past and the resilience and adaptability of life. Though the dinosaurs ultimately went extinct 65 million years ago, they remain an important and fun part of our natural history. International Dinosaur Day is a great opportunity to feed your curiosity about these majestic prehistoric animals that once ruled the earth. So get out to your local natural history museum this May 16 and partake in an exciting dinosaur adventure. You, too, may discover future Timmy in the making. May 16 is International Dinosaur Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Dinosaur Day. Cheers!